Hi guys, we're going to show you how to replace a dev unit on a Minolta Bizhub 367. So now this is the unit we took out. So the developer was out, finished. So the problem is like you cannot get this easily. So that's why we bought a new one. This is an original part from Minolta. So we just bought it now. So we're going to replace it. Okay. That's how it looks like. But it's a very expensive part. So it comes with a developer inside already. So you don't have to do anything. You see how it looks like? Brand new. But the best thing is it's the original part. It's not something generic. Okay. After that, this dev in here can give you 100 plus prints or copies. Okay. Let's put it in. The what? Flashlight. Let's try it. Okay. Can you see? Is it on? I'm gonna put on. Yeah. Scratched, untouched. Can you take out music, please? I don't like music. There was some small challenge that you saw. You have to do that connection. I think you can see that. It connects there. Once you're done with that, you can also do that. Sort of like a to close, to cover. Okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna put in the drum. You lock it. Also that you lock it. Okay. Fine. We need to get the waste toner bottom. Put it in. Then yeah, we close. After closing, then we're gonna also close here. Close here. Okay. That's it. We're done, guys. Okay. Senge, so do you have any copies to make?
No.
Okay, it's fine. Check what it's done. But we have papers in here. We need what? It's still warming up. Can we make? Tish, can remember. I don't know what happened. So make a copy.
Yeah, it's still
Oh, it's still warming up. It's been not in use for many years. Wow. We are done and all is 100% fine. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Senge, so here's your machine. Okay. That's done, guys. So we have the odd part. We don't have to throw it. You have to leave it, and you use it somehow in any other machine.